Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a product that's a bit different from our usual beauty staples, but still super important, especially these days. We're taking a close look at the PURELL brand healthy soap, antibacterial lotion soap with PCMX. This is an antibacterial lotion soap designed for frequent hand washing, coming in a 1000mm refill size meant for PURELL's CS2 and NXTC soap dispensers. It's a pack of 8 refills, perfect for home or workplace use. So what's the deal with this soap? PURELL's healthy soap features a high-performance formula that targets germs that can cause illness while also removing dirt effectively. Unlike some harsher antibacterial soaps, this one is triclosan-free, which means it's less likely to dry out or irritate your skin even with frequent use. It comes with a sanitary-sealed refill and a fresh dispensing valve to reduce contamination risks. Very thoughtful for hygiene-sensitive environments. Now, for my experience with this product, I integrated it into my daily hand washing routine, particularly at home, where I appreciate a reliable antibacterial option that isn't harsh. The lotion soap texture feels smooth and moisturizing. It doesn't leave your hands feeling tight or stripped, which can often happen with antibacterial products. It rinses clean without any sticky residue and has a pleasant, mild fragrance, not overpowering at all. Using it with the PURELL CS2 dispenser made the process smooth and mess-free. The refill pack is large, so it's great for high-traffic areas or households that go through soap quickly. I also tested it during various times of day, including after gardening and cooking, and it consistently removed dirt while keeping my hands comfortable. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula balances germ-killing power with gentle skincare really well. The large refill size is cost-effective and convenient, especially with the sanitary seal helping to keep everything clean. The fragrance is fresh but subtle, which is a nice touch. On the downside, this product is designed specifically for PURELL's CS2 or certain NXT dispensers, so if you don't have compatible dispensers, this refill won't work for you. Also, while it's antibacterial, it's not marketed as a hand sanitizer replacement, so you'll still need sanitizer when soap and water aren't available. As for value, when you consider the quality of the formulation, the refill size, and PURELL's trusted brand reputation, the price is reasonable for what you get. This is not a luxury hand soap by any means. It's about practical, reliable hygiene with skin-friendly ingredients. If you're managing a busy home or workplace where hand hygiene is a top priority, these refills make good sense. Compared to other antibacterial soaps on the market, PURELL Healthy Soap stands out for its skin-friendly approach. Many antibacterial soaps lean heavily on harsher ingredients like triclosan, which can dry and irritate. This PCMX-based formula strikes a nice balance that's suitable for frequent use. Plus, the sanitary-sealed refills are a smart feature not every brand offers. The packaging is straightforward, sturdy, easy to store, and designed to fit specific dispensers. No frills, but very functional. Since these are refill packs, longevity is about the shelf life and how fast you go through them. PURELL products typically have good shelf stability, so you won't need to worry about them expiring quickly. I haven't personally needed to contact PURELL customer support, but their reputation for solid service is well known in the hygiene space, which adds confidence when purchasing. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, some generic antibacterial soaps with PCMX or benzalkonium chloride offer similar germ-fighting benefits, but they often lack the moisturizing component and sanitary packaging PURELL provides. So if skin comfort and hygiene safety are priorities, PURELL Healthy Soap justifies the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap up, PURELL brand Healthy Soap Antibacterial Lotion Soap is a solid, dependable choice for anyone needing frequent, gentle antibacterial hand washing. It's especially well suited for families, offices, or any setting where keeping hands clean and skin comfortable is important. It delivers on its claims without unnecessary fuss, making hygiene easier and more pleasant. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the link to purchase these refills in the description box below. If you've already tried this soap, drop a comment, let us know your experience. And as always, Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.